This tutorial is brought to you by Klever, and today we're going to talk about bronzer and how to add a sun-kissed glow to your face. Now, you can use a matte bronzer or you can use a radiant bronzer. It really just depends on which you prefer. I like a bronzer with a little bit of radiance to it because it does just add a little bit of an extra something to the bronzer. So what tools are you going to be needing? You can use something like this, which is a fan brush, or you can use a contoured cheek brush. It really is up to you. For today's video, I'm going to be using a fan brush, and taking my bronzer, I'm just going to gently dab the edge of the fan brush into the product, and then I'm going to tap off the excess because we are going to start slow to begin with. So there I have some pigment on my brush, and now I'm going to start just below the cheekbone. So this is going to help to give you a little bit of contour, but it's also going to just add a lovely glow to the cheek. And then taking what's left on the brush, I'm then going to gently just go around the perimeter of my face. So just up into the hairline, just dusting the bronzer very lightly to begin with. And again, I'm going to start just below the cheekbone just to add a little bit of contour. And then taking what is left on the brush, again, I'm just going to do that part of the perimeter of my face up into the hairline. So this is where the sun would naturally catch your face. So you're just bronzing all the high points. Now, don't forget about the nose. So the sun is going to catch you here as well. So you just pop a little bit of this onto the bridge of the nose. And you can also add a little bit to the cheeks, to the cheekbones. Just pat the bronzer on very gently like that. And those are just going to give you some definition, and that's naturally where the sun would get you. Now, an added trick, and this is not necessarily where the sun is going to get you, but we're going to do a little bit of contour just under the chin and the neck area, and this will just create a lovely, very, very light shadow, which is going to help to enhance your jawline. And that is how you apply bronzer for a sun-kissed glow. And remember, you can add as much as you like, really. If you just find a shade that is right for you and that you really enjoy using, then the sky is the limit, and it's just going to give you a beautiful summer glow.